Let's begin in Mountain's Pose. Bring your palms together at your heart center and close your eyes. Take a couple of deep breaths. Long deep inhale. Slow exhale. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Inhale, reach your arms all the way up and back. Exhale, fall forward to Uttanasana. Inhale to half lift. And step both legs back to downward facing dog. Continue with a few deep breaths here in downward dog. You can oscillate your neck, paddle your heels. And slowly step your right foot forward. Lower the left knee. Come on up to Crescent Moon. Inhale. Exhale, palms to the floor. Left knee up. Spin the back heel down. And slowly rising up to Warrior One. And exhale, open to Warrior Two. Inhale, reverse to Warrior. Exhale to easy side angle. Rest your right elbow on the right thigh. Lift your left arm all the way up. And exhale. Release the left palm to the floor. Spin the back heel up. Lower the left knee. And exhale, gently twist to your right side. And release the palm. Step back to downward facing dog. Take a nice inhale. And as you exhale, lower your knees down, chest and chin. Inhale to little cobra. Point those toes, lengthen your legs. Exhale, release, tuck your toes, press back up. Return to downward dog. Let's repeat on the other side. Step your left foot forward. Lower the right knee. Inhale, lift your arms up to Crescent Moon. Exhale, palms down. Back knee up. Spin the heel down. Inhaling, rise to Warrior One. Exhale to Warrior Two. Inhaling, reverse to Warrior. Exhale, elbow to your thigh, right arm up, easy side angle. Lower the right hand, spin the back heel up, lower the knee, twist to your left. Release the left palm down, step back to downward facing dog. Again, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, lower your knees down, chest and chin. Lengthen your legs. Come on up to little cobra. Just feel free to stay a little longer in cobra pose. And as you exhale, lower down, tuck your toes, press back up, return to downward dog. And gently step your feet forward. Bring your feet together, big toes touching. Inhale to half lift. Exhale, fold Uttanasana. Bending the knees slightly. Inhale, come all the way up to standing. Reaching up and back. Exhale, return to Samasthiti.